Hi, hello. My name is Abdul Wahab. I am Springboard Fellow, Data Analysis Career Track. I am just answering the popular question about data analyst field and the job uh, interview questions. The first question is why do you want to become a data analyst? So for this question, the answer is I am passionate about working with data and extracting useful insight from it. Data analysts allow me to use my analytical skills to solve complex problems, make data-driven decisions, and contribute to business to growth and involve innovation. The second question is why do you want to work in this company? Uh, I was attracted this company because of its reputation for innovation, strong company culture, and commitment to excellence in data analysis. Uh, I practically in interested in the projects and invitations this company is involved in, and I believe that my skills and my experience will align well with the company goals and contribute to contribute its success. The third question is tell me about time that when you had to deal with conflict with the colleagues. Uh, in previous round, I had conflict with the colleague regarding prioritizing prioritizing task within a project. We had different opinion about which task we are critical needed immediate attention. To resolve this conflict, I held one-on-one meeting with my colleague and to openly discuss our views and better understand each other concerns. So through active listening and effective communications, we able to reach consensus and prioritize tasks beside their importance and impact on the project deadlines. This experience taught me the importance of collaboration and empathy and open communication into resolving conflicts in the professional manner. So this is the popular interview questions, and maybe it's popular answers for the question. Thank you.